Welcome to India, people. This is our first metro experience. We're going to ride the metro from Housekass village, which is in the south of Delhi, to the centre of Delhi, to Old Delhi. Namaskar. Let's check this place out. I bet you it's better than the Southwest trains in Surrey. I've got to get a metal detected. My GoPro's going to go off, isn't it? Thank you. At least I feel safe now after getting groped. How do I get a ticket? Hello. Metal detectors, maybe they need them in London. Stop us getting blown up. I think my girlfriend's been arrested. That's for a bomb. What, are you getting scanned up? How was that experience for you?
Intense.
Intense? Why?
I'm joking.
How did we get a ticket? We just walk through?
We get tickets here, no?
I don't know.
Yeah. Looks like a ticket office.
Hello. Do we need to buy tickets here?
For which place?
We want to go to Old Delhi area.
Old Delhi, Chandni Chowk.
Maybe, yeah, Chandni Chowk, yeah.
How much?
Two humans.
Give me 60 rupees.
How much?
60 rupees.
What's the name of the station again?
Chandni Chowk. I don't know, we'll find out when we get there. I think it's Chandni Chowk. Well, no. Which platform do we go to? Which platform?
Yellow line 2 number platform.
Yellow line number 2. Shukriya. Shukriya. Bye bye. Fucking complex, eh? Right, let the mission continue. This is Sunday, so it's quiet. Spitting is prohibited. No gobbing. No gobbing, mate. Pretty efficient so far. 60 rupees, did they say? So that is 60 pence. About 40 pence each, actually, that is. Pretty good. Bloody cheap. There's an army everywhere. I don't know if you're allowed to film on the underground. I might get arrested. Fed alert. Yellow line number 2. Yellow line number 2. I'm getting looked at. Someone's on the mug me. You know yellow line number 2? I've lost my fucking pass already. Where's my path? There it is. Where are we going, baby? Down? Reminds me of Bangkok. What? Go. You know yellow line number 2? Thank you. Reminds me of the Bangkok. What's it called? MRT. Are we going to Sampapa? We're going to city centre, no? This way? Cool. Excuse me, you have to go to Old Chandni Chowk? This train, that train? This one, thank you, brother. I need to sort out my Delhi. My Delhi chat. Alright, we are... Where are we? Housekass. We have got to go all the way down to Chandni Chowk. Yep. Well...
on the tube? Is it on this side or that side?
This side, this side. Yellow line number 2. Tube has arrived. We're going to Delhi. Old Delhi. Delhi Belly. First impressions, maybe. Better than the underground, isn't it? In London. What do you think? Look. Busy. It's crazy.